Let us solve the following system of linear inequality. We'll consider our first linear inequation. We have 2x plus 5. This is less than or equals to 0. We will transpose 5 to the right hand side to get 2x is less than negative 5. Now what we'll do, we want to make the coefficient of x equals to 1, but here we have 2, so that means we will need to divide both sides with positive 2. But before doing that, let me state a property of inequality. That means if we have a less than or equals to b, these are two numbers, and we have another number c, which is a positive number, c greater than 0. Then if we divide a with this positive number c and also b with the positive number c, then the sign of the inequality is not going to change, meaning a over c will be less than or equals to b over c. So what we'll do, we'll divide both sides with positive 2. So this is not going to affect the sign of the inequality. And this will give us x less than or equals to negative 5 over 2. Let's label this as number 1. Next, we consider x minus 3 less than or equals to 4. We'll transpose 3 to the right hand side to get x less than 3 plus 4. Now that means x is less than or equals to 7. So let's label this as number 2. Now we want to find a solution which is common to both 1 and 2. For this, what we'll do, we'll consider a number line, and on this number line we'll take negative 5 over 2 and positive 7. So the first one, we have x less than or equals to negative 5 over 2. So here we have to consider all the values of x, including x equals to negative 5 over 2 and its value less than negative 5 over 2. That means the solution is going to lie to the left of negative 5 over 2 and extend all the way up to negative infinity. Then we will consider all the values of x from number 2, all the values of x which is less than or equals to 7. That means it will start off at x equals to 7 and go all the way up to negative infinity. So the solution is going to lie to the left of x equals to 7. Now all we have to do is find a region which is common to both of them. So this is the region which gives us a common value. And if we write this in the interval form, so this will be starting from negative infinity and going all the way up to negative 5 over 2. So negative infinity by definition is unbounded, so we'll use an open interval. But negative 5 over 2, so it's a part of the solution, so we'll have to use a closed interval. So this is a solution to a given system of linear inequality.